Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to replace cabin filter. So this is the part number for a 2013 BMW X5 6-cylinder. So there's honestly, I like these man filters. So comes with two. First thing, we have to remove this cover right here. These cables. Okay. Alright. So there it is. Mine don't look that bad, but since I just bought this car, might as well replace them. So push these in, pop it out. Same thing on the other side. Sorry guys, it's kind of cold. Okay. These look good, but I'm going to replace them anyway. Once I have. So there you go. Now the other side, same thing. Take it off. Click in, click in. So let me show you how it looks. So as you can see, this gasket, it will go obviously around here, and that's pretty much it. It's not that hard to do. So let me set you here like so. Okay, so now we're going to okay, that's it. So you have 3 of them to twist. Now, don't forget this. So you just basically just turn it. There you go. Here, click. I mean, honestly, you can just unplug the. So, it's either way, whatever you decide to do. This. You have to turn. Okay. this back. Okay. There you go. And now you just twist these like that. That's all done. Now we can close the hood and move on to the next project. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.